You may have heard the expression that babies should walk at 1 and talk at 2. But that's not always the case, and there are a wide range of developmental milestones which can provide an early indication of whether your baby is developing normally. But if you think something is wrong after seeing your pediatrician, you need to find out if something could have happened during the pregnancy or delivery, which could have caused a loss of oxygen to the brain, which can cause serious developmental issues that may not have been obvious at first. And in premature babies, too much oxygen can also be dangerous and even cause blindness. But how would you ever know that the cause was an avoidable mistake? Unless you can read a fetal heart monitor and obtain all the necessary medical records, you probably would never find out that the cause of your child's developmental problems were the result of an avoidable mistake. And what happens if critical medical records happen to be left out? Accidentally, of course. You probably wouldn't even know which records were missing. That's why it's very important to speak to an attorney who not only specializes in medical malpractice, but one who specializes in dealing with children who are not developing properly. The fact is, almost any attorney would love to take a case involving an injured baby because the awards can be huge. That's because a baby injured at birth may have medical bills that will continue through the rest of the child's life. And even though the child may have severe brain damage, they could live a normal life expectancy into their 70s or 80s or even beyond, needing 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week care. In fact, that care can even extend beyond the lifetime of the child's parents. And the lawyer does get a percentage of the award or settlement, but if a lawyer or their firm doesn't have the resources or expertise to be footing the bill for expert doctors to review the case, life care economists, court fees, medical records, and their own substantial amount of time and overhead to take the case all the way through to a trial if necessary, then they may just tell you to take the offer. As soon as the insurance company dangles a settlement in front of you, and don't for one moment think that the insurance company's lawyers won't know which lawyer can mount a serious case and which ones are in it just for the money. And they also know which clients are so deep in debt that they're eager to settle to clear some of the bills that have piled up. We do the research, and we know which attorneys are the superstars in handling cases involving babies and children. And all of the attorneys to whom we refer cases agree that you won't pay a penny unless they win for you. Let us know if we can help point you in the right direction at finding an exceptional medical malpractice lawyer who can represent you in this very important situation. The call is absolutely free, and there's never any obligation to go with an attorney we suggest even after you talk with them about your case. But it could be very important that you act now. So if you have a moment, pick up the phone and give us a call right now at 1-800-LAW-CALL, which numerically is 1-800-529-2255. 1-800-529-2255. We wish you and your child all the best, and thanks for listening.